Okay, how's it going, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Life and Easy. I apologize for the video quality. I'm using my integrated webcam. I'm going to be getting a new webcam shortly so I can film videos kind of like this, wide angle, and you can actually see me and like my whole body and facial expressions and whatnot. But for now, I'm just using my integrated webcam. I'm going to get a new one that's much higher quality. Looking at Logitech right now. If you guys have any suggestions, leave those in the comment section down below. Now, before I get into my favorite tech of 2019, sorry, I'm not looking at the camera. I just want to give a quick shout out to my podcast, Life and Easy Podcast, doing a lot of great stuff over there. Link is always in the description, so you guys can go check that out. We're doing a lot of stuff on recent tech news, and we're going to be doing one on the iMac Pro, so stay tuned for that coming very shortly. So yeah, now let's get into the video. It's going to be a quick one. Guys, my favorite piece of tech, and MKBHD inspired me for this kind of video because he was doing it on his channel. It was basically, he asked a bunch of YouTubers what their favorite kind of tech was. So I think I would go out and choose mine. So what I ended up choosing actually are these. I know my mic or my webcam is not going to pick it up that great, but I don't know if you can see that. These are the Galaxy Buds first gen. I'm guessing they're going to make more in the future, like future generations. But I've been rocking these for around a little over a month so far, and for me, I am an Android user at heart. I've used an iPhone in the past, but didn't really like it. So right now, I currently rock the Galaxy S9. As you guys, if you didn't know that already, I made videos about it in the past. But so I thought to get into the ecosystem even more, I would go out and I would purchase some wearable technology. They have an app called Wearables where you can like hook up your Galaxy Buds, and then if you have like a Gear watch or whatnot. Also, repping the merch right here. If you guys want to go pick this up, that's linked in the description as well. So yeah, also I'm gonna be doing a lot more videos because I'm on break now and I got time to actually film and do this stuff. Maybe not in the next week, but after or like over a week from now, I'm gonna be like grinding a ton out. So stay tuned for that and subscribe, like to hit the bell, like the video, whatever. So yeah, Galaxy Buds first gen. I got them in the matte black color. I have loved these so much. They fit in your ear absolutely perfectly, as so. And I can't hear anything right now. It's insane. I mean, these have such a good noise isolation. Active noise, it's not active noise cancellation, but the just the ear tips themselves like create such a good insulation for the ear. And I'm gonna tell you right off the bat, these are better than AirPods. First gen AirPods. I want to be specific about that. First gen AirPods, these are better, and probably second gen. The new AirPods Pro are probably better than this because those are newer and they've done a lot more with active noise cancellation for those. But I will say that these ones are superb in sound quality. I used it on the dynamic setting in the Wearables app. You can adjust the if you want more bass or treble or whatnot. It's up to you. And I like that about the app is you can adjust the sound how you want it. I also love, this is huge. Many earbuds have failed at this in the past, is the touch sensitivity on the actual earbud when you want to skip tracks and whatnot, or play pause, or answer a phone call. It's so sensitive and it's great. It works, I'd say 99% of the time. You just go in here, light tap, double tap to skip track, triple tap to go to the previous track. And you can customize it any way you want. It's great for that. And I love just tuning it to whatever I want. So yeah, really good at customizing the settings in the app specifically. They fit great in the ear. They don't hurt after a while. I did have the fins on, which kind of like keep a more secure fit in your ear. I had those on for a while and they kind of irritated my ear, so I took them off. Now I just kind of just use them as normal, and they've been doing fine. I mean, I've no complaints, obviously, but sound quality on these are just absolutely crazy. I mean, for the price, I got these for $60 on Mercari. They usually go for like $130, I think, retail price. You can get them much cheaper these days. And I'd highly recommend going eBay or Mercari and just pick them up brand new. Don't get them used. Don't get earbuds used. Get them brand new. Try to see if you can get them at a discounted price. I would not pay $130 for these. I would pay $60. That's a great deal for these. Anything under $80 for these is a steal, and I'd highly recommend it. Also, this is where these compete with Apple. is Apple loves their whole W1 chip where you can just open it up and it connects to your phone. Well, guess what? These do this. They do the same thing. They do the same thing. You open these up and it will connect with your phone. So let me just get that in frame. You open it up, instantly connect with your phone, put them in your ears, done, just like that. I think they're better than AirPods. I can't speak. And they also have wireless charging, which I love. You just drop it on on your wireless charger like this, charges up. Also, these charge insanely fast, and they last for a decent amount of time. I'm not gonna lie. With the included case, obviously, you can charge them for longer. You get more battery life and whatnot. But guys, favorite tech of 2019, Galaxy Buds. Love them. Use them almost every day to listen to music. Great for listening to podcasts too. Really, the voices sound really crisp when you listen to podcasts with these. So guys, that's gonna be it for the video. I highly recommend you go purchase these. Always been a fan of them, and Samsung makes great products, and they're also better than Apple AirPods, first gen, second gen, not AirPods Pro. Let's be specific. So yeah, guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit it with a like, subscribe. Go check out Life Made Easy podcast, link down below. Cop the Life Made Easy merchandise if you guys want to. It's pretty. I make all my merchandise affordable, so you guys can pay for it. I don't make anything expensive. I don't make much money off merchandise anyway. But yeah, do like yourself. I'll see you guys in the next upcoming video. Peace.